here's the plan, here's the roadmap, that's where we're going. And then all of a sudden we say, no, we need to change that now. And then things are thrown up 3 months ago and said, but you showed us this plan 3 months ago. We need to explain that, yeah, we showed you that plan based on what we knew back then, not what we now know. And with what we now know, we can either, going back to Agile here, we can either stick to the wrong plan or we can accept it's going to change because we've learned something from it. And we're going to change the plan.
And I think just on that, that's where some of the sort of hybrid thinking comes in. Because if you're continuously changing, you're not actually you're not going anywhere. You're just spending time changing. So I think there's got to be an approach where you agree there's change, but also you agree you need to stick to a plan to actually achieve something, deliver something. It may not be 100% effective, but at least you're delivering something. So I think there's got to be a balance with this, otherwise it just won't work.
Yeah. No, I couldn't agree more. You just got me, you're like, I get these little, brain ideas, which I think. So maybe what some countries might do is say, you know what, we don't need to bring in a transformation leader to sort out this rolling out the COVID vaccine. We're going to bring in an Agile coach, and we're going to change the plan every 2 weeks. And here's our backlog of stuff we're going to do in the next 2 weeks. It's going to completely change. And I think this is one of those places where you can't do that iterative type approach in short cycles. It's going to be something where you're going to have to look at, I don't know how long these cycles are going to be, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months. But you know what? We'll keep iterating those bigger cycles. But no, certainly we won't be standing up here every day or every 2 weeks, completely changing the plan every single time.